This is NDTV and you are watching NDTV Prime.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a huge honor for us at NDTV to have all of you here this afternoon as we kick off the EduComp NDTV Education Awards powered by Yonex. I am Tejas Mehta and I'm going to be your host this afternoon. Now, for a while, we have been talking of the need to honor those institutions and individuals who are doing an absolutely stellar job in educating generation after generation of Indians, of transforming them. We're indeed actually fortunate to have a founding partner in EduComp who shared this vision and joined us as we set out to honor excellence. We thank you as this afternoon has come together on the back of your support and others who joined us on this journey also. May I please invite the CEO of EduComp, Divya Lal Solutions, and for getting us up to speed with how exactly, these awards to honor all these fantastic people have really come about. Please come. Now, if I can start by asking you, we have been thinking of honoring individuals, teachers, principals. If you can explain to us the process that, we all shared together.
I think at EduComp, we have been committed to the cause of education. But I believe it is time to pay our gratitude to the people who actually built the foundation of this country. And this is the whole ethos with which we partnered with NDTV to bring this vision to life.
Thank you so much, Divya Lal, the CEO of EduComp Solutions.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Before we begin with the entire process of honoring, these shining examples, let me please invite on stage Jerson Dikuna, the trustee and convener of Agni, who is right here with us. Please give him a huge round of applause. Now, Jerson, as we all do know him, is a very prominent Mumbai, Maharashtra face, has been coming on NDTV for many years and started his life as a journalist and then moved on to do many, many things, including being an advertising man, an author, a writer, and finally the convener of Agni, which is, Action for Good Governance and Networking for India. Justin, I want to start by asking...
I'm glad you stopped there.
So many teachers and principals are sitting with us today. Your thoughts and some words of advice for them and also for students, who are going to be watching this.
There are two things, or maybe three, that I hope the education that you dispense will do, that go on the geography and the history and the Indian and the languages. First and foremost, I think, is something that I would call critical judgment. You will create the measures by which people would know what to believe, what to accept, critical judgment. The second very important thing that I hope you will inculcate in education, not just subject matter training, are values.
Thank you so much, Justin, for doing this, coming here. Please stay here because we're going to, honor all these wonderful teachers and principals. So please, before we move ahead, let's take a quick look at who the jury really was for all the nominations they went through. Let's take a look at our jury.
Our eminent jury: Abha Adams, advisor Step by Step School and former director Shriram Schools. Ashok Ganguly, educationist and former chairman CBSE. Lata Vaidyanathan, director Terry Prakriti School and former principal Modern School Barakamba Road. Pramad Sinha, founder and trustee Ashoka University and founding dean ISB. Rupa Manjari Ghosh. Vice Chancellor, Shiv Nadar University. Former Dean, School of Physical Sciences, JNU. Natasha Joe, Senior Editor and Anchor, NDTV.
So let's get started. Let's honor the finest. Let's hear from all these shining examples. Our first category is for excellence in English language teaching.
Excellence in English language teaching, Lisa Krishnan, Diamond Jubilee High School, Mazgaon, Mumbai. And Rachna Gupta, Indus Early Training Center, Pune.
The English which children speak now has changed so much, actually. Your thoughts, how do you deal with this, SMS language per se?
Well, we all fall prey to using that kind of language informally. But we tell our kids that at the end of it all, they do have an exam to take, and they're not going to get marked for how creative they are using this kind of language. So they ultimately are able to make the difference.
I think that we are doing our bit to, so that more children speak in English, because today, even families, as parents and everyone, they are speaking English more. So children are getting more exposure to the language.
Thank you so much. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much. The next category is in excellence in teaching mathematics. May I please call on stage Dr. Vivek Khare, the Dean for Student Welfare and Director, School of Commerce and Economics.
Shilpi Ahuja, Navratna School.
Mathematics is every child's biggest fear. What has your solution been to make it more friendly, children become more comfortable with it?
I would like to answer with an incident. You can say 1-2 months back, I had a discussion with my class students. I asked them, when do you really learn the most? So the answers were unexpected. They said, ma'am, when we work in small groups, when we are engaged, and when we are helping each other.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Could I please have on stage Divya Lal, CEO of Education Commerce, for the next award? And the category is Excellence in Social Science Training.
Well, we have 2 winners. It's a tie. Harpreet Kaur from Bombay Scottish and Rupinder Kaur Sani from RN Podar School. Please give them a big round of applause.
I wanted to tell this to you that, all my life I had only heard about the different award functions and only watched them on the television. But never did I know that this would one day become a reality for me.
The first question that the children would ask us is, Miss, why do we have to learn about people who don't even exist now? So the first is, itself is a moral lesson saying that we have to learn from the mistakes that they had made.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jason. We'll move on to the next stage of our entire award ceremony. Now we are moving to our next category, and that is the awards for the best schools. Let's begin with Excellence in Pedagogy. And may I please ask Divya to do the honors this once again?
The winner is Shishuwan English Medium School, Matunga.
What are the new, be it technological or in the theory? How has it changed over the last couple of years in your experience?
It's all about doing. So whether you do it through a computer, you do it by digging your hands in the mud, or you actually do it by going and seeing things, it's finally about doing it.
Thank you.